Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to uninstall Blender in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and search for apps. You'll be having this apps and features under system settings. Just open it and here you will be having search this list option. Just search for Blender and we'll be having the Blender app. Click it and select uninstall, and this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Just click here. So once you have uninstalled, as you can see, we are not having Blender in this list. And if I go to control panel, and here we are having Blender, but if I just refresh it, and Blender is not anymore in this list, which means that it has been successfully uninstalled. So now we can remove some folders of Blender also. So for that, just go to search and type run. We'll be getting the run system. Open it, and here just type %app data % and click on OK, and we'll be taken to the app data roaming folder. Here we are having the folder named Blender Foundation. Delete this and go back to the app data. We don't have anything over here. Go back, and now inside local we are having a similar Blender Foundation folder. Delete this also, and don't forget to empty your recycle bin. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.